Solar panel cleaning robots, 10 new facts you didn't know. A solar panel cell, solar electric panel, photovoltaic module, or solar panel is a collection of photovoltaic cells installed in a framework. Solar panels generate direct current electricity using sunlight as a source of energy. A PV panel is a collection of PV modules, and an array is a collection of PV panels. A photovoltaic systems array provides solar energy to electrical equipment. Edmond Becquerel, a French physicist, was the first to notice that some materials can generate an electrical charge when exposed to light in 1839, despite the fact that these early solar panels were too inefficient to power even as simple electric devices. They were used as a light meter. Becquerel's observations was not repeated until 1873, when English electrical engineer Willoughby Smith discovered that light hitting selenium could cause a charge. In 1876, William Grills Adams and Richard Evan Days authored The Action of Light on Selenium, describing the experiment they used to replicate Smith's findings. The first commercial solar panel was created in 1881 by American inventor Charles Fritz, who described it as continuous, constant, and of considerable force not only by exposure to sunlight but also to dim, dispersed daylight. However, when compared to coal-fired power plants, these solar panels were inefficient. Russell O. invented the solar cell design that is used in today's solar panels in 1939. In 1941, he received a patent for his design. Bell Labs used this design to create the first commercially viable silicon solar cell in 1954. At Bell Labs, Mohammed M. Attallah invented the silicon surface passivation by thermal oxidation process in 1957. Since then, the process of surface passivation has been crucial to solar cell efficiency. The prominence of solar energy for residential and commercial use has exploded in recent years. This is due to the irresistible combinations of advanced solar panel efficiency and current money-saving solar incentives, which are solar energy facts. Going solar now makes more sense than ever. And unless you live in Antarctica, you have probably noticed solar panel systems springing up all over town and wondered what they were all about. Are they appropriate for you? Between 2021 and 2028, the global solar panel automatic cleaning robot market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 11.2%, from $169.3 million in 2020 to $382.2 million in 2028. Cleaning solar modules is a significant challenge for developers, especially in arid and dry regions where water is scarce. The fact that dust particles, bird droppings, and other particulate elements reduce energy generation emphasizes the need for solar module cleaning. While manual cleaning is an option, various robotic technologies have recently entered the market that offer a more cost-effective method of solar panel cleaning than human cleaning. Some of the more common types of robotic cleaning systems include module cleaning robots, driving robots, and AI-enabled robots. If you like what you have seen so far, make sure to subscribe. So, we have gathered facts on solar panel cleaning robots that you must know. 1. Vegetation Maintenance. When sheep aren't enough, an autonomous mower can help with vegetation maintenance and save a lot of time and effort. Ranu Robotics of Texas has been working on the RanuBot for a few years, using DOA grants and prize money to fine-tune an autonomous tractor with a 63-inch mower deck that maps and mows under and around solar mounts using GPS and LiDAR. Lithium batteries power the mower, which are fast-charged in RanuBot's own docking enclosure. The mower can operate at any time of day or night, and it adapts quickly to changing conditions and environments. RanuBot uses a variety of sensors to determine its locations, whether obstacles are present, and how it should proceed. Ranu Robotics is expanding its workforce, hiring engineers and field technicians to deploy autonomous mowers on solar project sites in the United States as soon as the start of 2021. 2. Solar panel cleaning. The Ecopia solar panel cleaner is expanding its presence in North America after getting its start in the dusty Middle East. To clean panels without using water, autonomous robots travel across both fixed tilt and tracking systems. For power, each Ecopia robot has its own solar module on board. The Ecopia AI platform schedules cleaning based on weather and other factors, resulting in the most efficient maintenance schedule for its surroundings. The E4 robot moves across a row of modules on its own track, floating above the panels and cleaning them with a trolling microfiber cloth. When the robot completes a row, it is safely docked at the array's edge. When it is protected from the element, and does not cast shade on the panel row. The T4 robot moves around the room like a Roomba, but is more aware of its surroundings, so it doesn't fall off. The T4 also uses a spinning microfiber cloth and dock at the end of the row when it is finished. Ecopia received a $40 million investment from CIM Group, a US real estate company last year, allowing the company to expand geographically. Ecopia, which already has over 16 gigawatt of cleaning agreements, could soon add a few more gigawatts when it brings its water-free cleaning robots to the United States. 3. How do they place module? Thanks to a $1.9 million DOA grant to RE2 Robotics, unloading solar panels and placing them on racks at large utility-scale sites may soon be automated. RE2 wants to use its outdoor, self-driving robotic technology in solar constructions to improve the solar field assembly process. Solar construction crews could be supplemented rather than replaced by the robots. They are meant to boost labor productivity while also ensuring worker safety, allowing utility-scale contractors to produce more megawatts in less time. Today, the solar constructions process is mostly manual, with a lot of repetitive tasks spread out over a lot of projects. In a press release, RE2 President and CEO Jørgen Pedersen stated, developing technologies that make the process more efficient will serve to make solar an even more cost-effective source of energy for the future. RE2 is currently collaborating with Array Technologies and Mortensen to see how mobile robotics can help with utilities solar construction. Moreover, here are solar panels facts that will help you get a baseline on them. Solar-powered homes have been shown to sell faster for a higher price. According to a Zillow study from 2019, homes with solar panels sells for 4.1% more on average than homes without solar panels. Furthermore, most states exempt solar panel systems from property taxes. Fossil fuel combustion produces toxic pollutions, which has an impact on global health. The average rooftop solar panel systems can reduce pollutions by 100 tons of CO2 over the course of 30 years. Everyone on the planet will breathe cleaner air as a result of this. Think again if you think solar energy is just a fad. Some of the world's largest corporations are investing heavily in the development of solar-powered airplanes. One Swiss man even became famous on the internet for being the first person to jump out of a solar-powered plane. This fact about solar energy goes unnoticed. When solar panels are combined with an electric vehicle and a home EV charger, you not only save money on gas and electricity, but you also nearly eliminate your carbon footprint. Solar energy is here to stay, and the longer you wait to install your own solar panels, the more money you will save. And the robots created to clean solar panels are just as amazing as the panels themselves. Also, we have two robotics cleaning methods, wet cleaning and dry cleaning. When we compare the two cleaning methods, dry cleaning appears to be the clear winner in areas where water is scarce. Wet cleaning currently has a large market share than dry cleaning. The dry cleaning industry, on the other hand, may see a boost in the future. Furthermore, as technology advances, the cost of installing solar cleaning robots will undoubtedly decrease. The solar cleaning industry is expected to grow by more than $1 billion by 2026, according to GM Insights, with a compounded annual growth rate of around 10%. The expected rise in the solar cleaning industry is primarily due to the increasing installations of solar modules around the world. If you live in an area where there's a water shortage, you should definitely opt for dry cleaning. Robotic cleaning is also an option for commercial installers with an average capacity of more than 5 kilowatt. Manual cleaning is always preferable for residential systems because it requires less water and manpower. Furthermore, the cost of installing a robotic cleaning system is quite high, making it unsuitable for smaller systems. Let us know your thoughts on solar panel cleaning robots in the comment sections. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, then please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such exciting videos like this one.